How to enable night mode on an LG phone. Enabling night mode, sometimes referred to as dark mode, on your LG phone's display is quick and easy. We'll show you how. Open Settings, then tap on Display, then tap on Night Mode. You can use the toggle to turn night mode on or off, or have it remain enabled or disabled at all times. You can also tap on Schedule, turn the toggle on, and set the times when you would like night mode enabled. If you choose Schedule, then night mode will be disabled except for the hours you have chosen. And if you are using one of the default wallpaper options, you can choose to apply night mode to the wallpaper image as well. Thank you for choosing LG. We hope you enjoy your phone. For further assistance, you can easily find our contact information on the LG.com website. Go to the support menu to ask us more questions.